Hi everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make chicken कढ़ाई. अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाहें तो नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए. Let's go see what ingredients we need. One whole chicken cut into small pieces, 10 to 12 sliced tomatoes, Chicken Karahi Masala, for which you can check the description box, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half cup of oil, and coriander for garnishing. You can start by heating up oil in a pan on high heat. Now you can add the chicken and the ginger garlic paste. Sauté the chicken until it turns white in color as shown here. Then you can add the chicken karahi masala and mix everything well. Don't forget to check the description box below for our homemade karahi masala. Once that is mixed, you can add the tomatoes. Cover and let them cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the karahi should look something like this. You can mix it one more time and let it cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your karahi should look something like this. If your karahi looks too watery, you can always remove the lid and let it cook for a few minutes without the lid. At this point, you can add the yogurt and mix well. Then you can add the green chilies. Our delicious chicken karahi is now ready. We highly recommend you give this a try as this is one of the quickest curries to make. Once the karahi is ready, you can always garnish it with coriander and Julienne ginger. We hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for future recipes. Thank you for watching!